Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of November. I did not do this in October. I feel like I just skipped the month. It just got too busy or whatnot, and I did not post it. But I figured I would post this one. We are not doing a try-on just because I did already put my makeup on to film, and actually, there aren't many makeup products in my box this month, so spoiler alert. So I figured I would just unbox the box and show you guys what I got this month. If you are new here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's get started. Okay, opening up this box. The theme this month is, I don't know. This just says Beauty Bash. This is just on the annual blowout sale, so I don't know what the actual theme this is. Invite only, maybe that's the theme. Who knows? But the first product in the box is from Cherrific Botanicals, and this is the Primrose and Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. So this comes with 3 shades. This is vegan, cruelty-free, has no parabens. It has shea butter. So let's see what it looks like. So this is what the palette looks like, and these are the shades on the inside. I don't really like using lip palettes, so this will probably not be used for a lip palette. It'll probably be used more for a cheek palette. These shades are really pretty. So let's feel what they look like. Let's see what they feel like. That is what I meant. Okay, they're definitely interesting. They actually feel more like lip products, so I feel like I can use these as like a lip balm or something. So those are the 3 shades in there. So there is brown butter. Oh, the shades are only on the packaging, I think. Yeah, okay, so I don't like that. The shades are brown butter, rosy pink, and deep rose. Of course, I like the brown butter and rosy pink. The deep rose is probably a little bit too dark for me as a blush, but I will probably use the other 2 and we will see what they look like. What is going on with my hair right now? Look at this one piece. I feel like I ripped my hair because this is not normal. So, whoops, let's just put that guy back. Focus. Again, I will probably not use this for a lip palette, probably more so a cheek palette, but we will definitely try it out. They're already drying down, which is a pretty good sign, but we will see how they apply on the cheeks when I use them. Okay, next in the box is this, what is this palette? Cherrific Botanicals. So this retails for $42, so that's pretty expensive for that palette. Interesting. That it has Gold of Pleasure oil, I don't know what that means, and shea butter. It is powered by evening primrose, cowslip primrose, and cabbage rose extract to help luminize and condition your complexion. So there's a lot of claims, so we will see what it feels like on my face. Anyway, the next product in the box is this right here. This is the Glow On 5th Beauty Refresh and Reset Brightening Mud Mask. I'm not going to open this because, I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory, and I have way too many masks, so I'm not going to open this right now. But this one here retails for $30 for this mask. It says, brighten your skin's natural radiance by using the Ginger Mud Mask infused with ginger root and taurine to re-energize skin and minimize fatigue, boost circulation, and help with rehydration. It says use 1 to 3 times per week and enjoy the gift of instantly radiant skin. Again, I have way too many masks, so I'm probably not going to open this, / I might just give it to someone because I really don't need more masks, like at all. I have way too many and I rarely use them, so this might be going to someone else. Next up is this product from Cherrific, and this is the foundation stick, but it actually is a refillable foundation stick. It is a foundation and blender in a forever case. This says medium coverage, naturally radiant finish. So I got Polynesian Ivory. That says for beige skin with natural undertones. Let's see. It has the classic Cherrific packaging. Little pencil. This is what it looks like. So that is the shade. I think that might work. It's definitely light for me right now. but maybe when I am not tan, it'll probably be better. I don't know what blender it's talking about. Oh, ah. So on the other side, it has a little sponge. Okay, that just broke out. Yeah, okay, well, mine just broke. It's literally just glued, so mine just popped out. I like that because it's easy for traveling, but I will probably rarely use that. So, oh well. It did blend out, and that was a dry sponge, and it blended out nicely. I do like Trestique products, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. And again, this is really great for traveling. So what else does it say on here? It is infused with powerful carrot complex for natural blue light protection. That's interesting. Also formulated with an effective blend of hyaluronic acid and Vitis Vita actives known to boost collagen, hydration, and minimize fine lines. And again, it comes with refillable foundation and a built-in blender you can wash or replace. Okay, so maybe it's supposed to come out. I don't know. Who knows? So this one retails for $30. It is a, caught in my hair. It is a buildable formula as well. And the case is recyclable and refillable. Like I said, it's refillable, but it is recyclable. So that is pretty nice. So it does feel good. It has dried down. So maybe this color would work because it did blend out on my hand. It might look differently on my face, so I'll have to try it out. And I guess when I said there wasn't really makeup in here, I kind of lied. But I think that those are the only two makeup products in my box this month. So I didn't really lie. Okay, two more products. The next one is from Trust Fund Beauty, and this is the Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. So this is infused with therapeutic vitamin E to give your pout some TLC. Let's see if I can open this. It's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. Use alone or as a perfect topper for lipsticks and lip liner when you want an ultra juicy look. So this is the packaging, and it is just a clear gloss. I actually have a gloss from them that is tinted, and I do really like it. It tends to be a very, very thick formula. This doesn't seem, let's see. Just add that right on top. Of course, turn the color, so I'm going to wipe that off on my hand. It definitely added gloss. It kind of smells, but not too much. It's not sticky or anything like that. It feels fine. It feels like a gloss. This retails for $18. I'm not really a huge fan of these because I don't feel the need to have a clear gloss. If I want a gloss, I probably would go for a tinted gloss. So this is probably not going to be used much, but maybe it will. I don't really have many clear glosses in my collection, so this will be put to good use if I want a clear gloss, but it's rare for me to want a clear gloss, if that makes sense. And lastly is this big product right here. This is the Greengrass Skincare Foaming Body Scrub. And this is, the fragrance is cardamom lavender. It is inspired by India. The notes are bergamot, lemon, cardamom, lavender, coffee, geranium, rose, amber, balsam, and patchouli. Those are a lot of notes. I was going to say, I hope they don't have a thing on it because I don't really want to open this either, but let's see. I just want to smell it. That actually smells pretty good. I don't smell the coffee. I definitely smell the lavender. Yeah, I actually do really like that. And the amber. I don't smell the rose, thank goodness, because I don't like rose, in case you guys didn't know that. But this is a good product because most people will use this, and it doesn't really have a strong scent. So I will put this in my shower and test it out, and we will see what I feel about it. I like the ones that foam, so we will see how much it foams. If it doesn't, then I'm not really a huge fan of those because I feel like they're not doing anything. So we will see what happens with that one. But that is everything in my box. Let's add it all up. So my box is worth $144, so $144, which is actually a lower amount than my past few boxes have been worth. They have been worth at least $160 or possibly more. So this wasn't my favorite box, but I am excited to try most of the products. Again, this mask might go to someone else because I don't really use masks anymore, or I just have too many, so I don't need to add to my collection. But I am looking forward to trying the foundation stick and that Primrose palette, the cream palette. I will use those cream blushes. I do love cream products, so having the foundation stick and the lip and cheek palette, I will definitely try those out. Maybe I will use the lip palette and then with the gloss on top. Maybe I will try that out. We will see. But I actually did cancel my subscription after this month because I feel like I'm getting too many repeat products or products that I really don't want. I don't really want skincare products, and I feel like every month I get so many skincare products. So I did cancel, and because I'm moving, I don't really need more makeup to pack with me. So I did cancel Boxycharm and Ipsy. I just don't really need to have too many products. Maybe after I move, I will resubscribe, but we will see how I feel. I'm not really wearing as much makeup because I do work from home. So I did actually get a new job, and now I work from home again. So I'm not wearing makeup as much. So that's why it was an easy decision to cancel, because I'm getting too many repeat products and I don't really wear makeup. So why do I need to be getting more products every month? So I did cancel, but we will see if I resubscribe in a few months. But that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.